inspiration. It's the source of creativity. And when you let it in, something magical happens. It's time to rethink everything and expand your horizons, breaking through limits like never before. Introducing Find N3's brand new Flexion hinge with OPPO's new torque control system. It glides with an almost predictive resistance. From a two-wheel drive feel of old to a new and improved four-wheel drive flow. Robust and smooth with every open and close. A backbone enhanced with liquid metal creates a perfectly balanced core. Carbon fiber support plates with over 5,000 microscopic laser-made holes for 2.1 times the rigidity and an almost invisible crease. The new protective coating smooths out scuffs and lubricated for a lifetime of use. It folds into a water droplet and unfolds flat, like calm, still, ripple-free water. Weather sealing protects it from life splashes. OPPO's flagship triple camera system goes the distance to capture iconic photos, shot after shot. And as you explore the possibilities, you don't crack under pressure, and neither does OPPO Find N3. When you combine pure inspiration with industry-leading expertise, it's time to expect the incredible. Unfold infinity with OPPO Find N3 series.
Introducing the Google Pixel Fold, the only foldable engineered by Google. Sleek, beautiful, and ultra premium. It turns ordinary moments into extraordinary photographs. With a triple rear camera, 5x telephoto lens, and 20x super res zoom, so you get photos that are detailed and true to life. What previously required a DSLR and a tripod comes standard on the Pixel Fold, letting you capture the stars with astrophotography. Erase things you don't want in your photos with just a tap, or by circling them out with Magic Eraser. Frame the perfect shot on the Pixel Fold's more powerful rear selfie camera. All those screens also help you get more done. Meet with the colleague over here, while you work on a deck together just over there. And as one of the thinnest foldables, it fits snug in your pocket, with a form factor that sits up for optimal video viewing. Or lay it flat for a screen that goes on and on, seamlessly of course. Pixel Fold doesn't just look good. It's powered by an adaptive battery that learns the apps you use and sends power where you need, up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver. From wherever you find yourself, like here. With live translate in dual screen interpreter mode, the person you're talking to sees your words translated on one side of the screen. You see their words translated on the other, in real time. With the certified Titan M2 chip and features like VPN by Google One, your data is safe and secure. And with IPX8 and Gorilla Glass Victus, it's scratch resistant and can take a splash. It's the only foldable that does all that. Google Pixel Fold, the only foldable engineered by Google.
All new Honor Magic VS, a new realm of foldable flagship. The lighter, the mightier, a perfect fit in your hand. All new Magic OS, efficient multi-device connection. Scan and combine, and smart multi-windows, circadian night display, sleep tight for an energetic morning, worry-free all-day battery life. Honor Magic VS.
Oh, you sneaky foldy. I see you. Oh, all right. Let's see. What are we working with here? 10 grams lighter and 2.4 millimeters slimmer than before? The screen is 7.6 inches big and the flex hinge? Nearly gapless. What now?
Sounds nice, but how do I use it?
Here are 2 areas where a bigger screen will be beneficial. Productivity, entertainment.
I like both, but let's go with this first.
Why work on one task at a time if you can multitask? And with your last recently used apps, right here, and app pairs, right there, you can easily work, study, play.
All right, got it. Now, entertainment.
A big screen like this gives you a more immersive viewing experience. See? So powerful. I wonder what's inside. Ah, I know what this means. Powerful gaming. This is fun. Okay, I got it. Galaxy Z Foldables, the ultimate foldable phones for productivity and self-expression. Now,
how do you create the world's most cutting-edge foldable phone? Every masterpiece begins with a vision, meticulously crafted. From an ultra-efficient hinge designed with precision, to the single-piece spine created from zirconium amorphous alloy. While aerospace-grade materials are finite, passion isn't. The secret is to build with both. We play with the raw materials of nature itself, giving life to a carbon fiber flexi-display support, holding aloft the main display with an almost invisible folding crease. We achieve this with an industry-leading pressure relief system, an impossibly small curvature radius. But we did fail at one task: to break this marvel of engineering. We tried hundreds of thousands of times, enough for 10 years of folding, the most extreme temperatures. We combined a vision of perfection with 10 years of innovation to create the world's most cutting-edge foldable phone.